The next thing for us to talk about is CRM software, customer relationship management software. Customer relationship management software. All right, CRM software. What does it do? Here you got a little diagram for one of the CRM firms that's out there, Zoho. It's one of the companies that provides CRM software. And basically, you have marketing, sales, orders, support. Marketing, sales, order, support. Basically, it's just customer relationship management, managing your customers when you're marketing to them, when you're going through the sales process with them, when you're taking their order, delivering their order, tracking their order, following up on their order, and then giving them support. How do you manage customers through that cycle? So this is Zoho's take on customer relationship management, and yeah, it's pretty much right in line. Some CRM software do more, some will do less, right? But how does CRM software help with marketing, particularly Zoho? How does Zoho help with marketing their CRM software? Zoho is the company, right, which offers, one of the companies which offers CRM software. Run campaigns, generate leads, form a database, assign leads, qualify leads, convert leads, track opportunities, deliver products, produce invoices, develop knowledge base, right? Knowledge base, business intelligence, same thing. Provide service, conduct trainings, manage cases, right? So that would be support. So anywhere, anywhere you have marketing functions, sales functions, order functions, support functions, CRM software could help. What does that look like? What would be a concrete example of that? Like, let's just say I had like a business which did real estate loans for people. So if I had CRM software, I might want to look and run a campaign to try to get new customers. And so the campaign I might run would be to send out mailings to people. And so I could send out mailings to people and keep track of which mailings went out. And then once the mailings went out, they could start going through a decision tree process. So if I didn't hear back from the customer in a week, we could have somebody give them a follow-up call. Hey, did you get the letter we sent you? We're just curious if we might be able to help you. Interest rates have come down. And so based upon the call, did they come in for an appointment? Did they not come in for an appointment? If they didn't come in for an appointment, going down the decision tree, right? So a decision tree looks like this. I am typing with one hand, by the way, because my other one's holding my eyes back. This is what a decision tree looks like. And basically, you're kind of going down yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And so, if this happens, then do it. Well, don't read the text on whatever these are. Here we go. Here's a generic one. If this happens, then do this. If it's not happening, do that. Then do this, do that. So in that example, right, where if they do come in an appointment, okay, great. And if they don't, all right, then send them another little letter or postcard. It was nice talking with you the other day. Please keep us in mind, when you have real estate, whatever. So that decision tree, that would be part of the marketing, right? And then when they come in, right, we convert the lead, make sure it turns into a sale. So that's kind of how it would work. I also gave you that example of, like anytime somebody called the organization, automatically their customer contact information comes up, so we know who we're talking to within the organization and what kind of contact the organization has had with them. And it also provides metrics and charts on what's going on in the industry. See, here's a sales by lead source, kind of the funneling process, turning sales into customers. So what are the features of CRM software? Tailored marketing, one-on-one customer service, retaining customers, building brand loyalty, providing information customers actually want. I really like this poster, even though it's in Spanish, and I don't really read Spanish. But down here, it just kind of shows some of the different CRM firms which are out there, right? So Zoho is the one we've just been looking at, and Salesforce.com is another one that's out there. Sugar CRM is another one. Oracle and Microsoft, right? The big database companies, no surprise there. And here, SalesBoom, HClients, vTiger, never heard of them. But apparently they're out there. If you Google CRM software, you could see some of those companies too. Zoho, Salesforce right here at the top, Salesforce right here at the top, Sugar CRM right near the top, Zoho a little bit further down in the organic search results. I really like the way Zoho looks. Here is kind of like just an example, right? Keeping track of one client, or another example of I don't know what their interface looks like, whatever the heck that's doing. Here's Salesforce.com, and you know, some of the dashboards they provide. There's a picture of one of the dashboards they provide. There's you know, one of the things that's out there that I saw when I Googled CRM software is just, you know, the ratings. What do people think of the different services that are out there? So you can look at those. But here's some of the stuff that Zoho offers, which I thought was interesting to look at. Contact Manager, CRM, closing more deals in less time, you know, but a lot of different services that kind of come together with Zoho in addition to just the straight CRM. And then I was looking for training on, you know, some of these things. And I went to lynda.com, and they didn't have anything for Salesforce or Zoho or CRM software. And so I came back to Zoho, and I just searched for their resources. And they do have webinars, which might be really interesting to take a look at. And so, you know, here are some webinars in America. And, you know, learn the CRM basics, learn how to attract, retain, and delight your customers. And join us to learn how to set up your CRM account, customize your CRM, and create a workflow. So just kind of introduction to CRMs. And probably Salesforce has something like that. Salesforce webinars. There we go. Salesforce webinars. Events, webinars, there we go. And they have archived webinars that you can go look at and register for upcoming webinars. And there's whatever, Anthony Robbins, Tony Robbins, maybe it is Anthony Robbins, Tony Robbins. Yeah, so social selling, rethinking sales with social at the core. Read Road to Dreamforce webcast series. I don't know. You can learn more about it here. Anyhow, CRM software is absolutely essential for any organization when you're doing sales, managing your relationships with your customers. It's absolutely essential for you to know about. It's not just big. It's not just for big businesses. Like, you know, if you got, you know, if you're doing sales of any kind, you could get in on this software probably pretty inexpensively and start keeping track of your customers and managing your relationships with your customers more effectively by using CRM software. So it's something absolutely for you to know about wherever you go in life, whatever company you end up working at. You know, having an awareness that CRM software is out there, that it's really effective, and that you can get into it relatively easily. We'll be able to help you, even if you're just like running a barbershop, you know, keeping track of your customers and being in contact with them. And, you know, I don't know what that would look like with a barbershop, but, you know, if you're doing real estate or whatever it happens to be, you'll be able to do better in business if you know what CRM software is and learn a little bit about it and know that it's there. So when you need to use it, you can get a little training and put it into play. All right, that's CRM software.